I drop on the couch, ready to rest. Lights go down, yeah, this feels best. Grab my blanket, all is right. With no remote, not tonight. Check the table, check the side. Under cushions, where it hides. This ain't normal, something's weird. Now it's gone and disappeared. Oh, where is the remote control? I just had it, now it's gone. Let it walk off on its own. Or fall into a black hole. Left the cushions, flipped the seat. Papers flying at my feet. Open drawers, I start to shout. This thing's messing me about. As my doggy stares like Joe. Doesn't move on even but. Then my cat just walks away. Ties it again like every day. Oh, where is the remote control? I just had it, now it's gone. Open fridge, I take a look. There it is, like in a book. Next to cheese, just sitting there. Now I'm frozen, like full stare. Then the bathroom, I can't cope. On the toilet, it's the remote. This is madness, this is wild. Who's been playing? I'm now a child. Ask at home, touch this thing. I don't know, they all begin. No, not me. Me neither, but someone lies. I feel it though. Wait, hold up. Total silence, nobody breathe. Flow. It's in my head. Where is the remote control? I just lost my self-control. All the chaos, all that show. When I had it all along. Alright, okay. Everything's fine away. Where's my phone away? Alright, okay.